Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. So school are already started all around the world and main problem is what to pack for kids school lunches. So today I'm sharing some ideas and tips and sharing 3 different amazing recipe which you can pack for your kids school lunches. So let's go and make it happen. So first I will talk about some different kind of lunch containers. I already shared a detailed video last year and I will link that down below for you guys. It has all the information which you need to pack school lunches. The first lunch pack which I have here is it's from Systema lunch pack. It comes with a cute little bottle and a lunch box, and this lunch box is my all-time favorite. It has 3 little compartments. It comes with this cute little yogurt cup. You can use for granola, yogurt, any sauces, dips, or anything you like. And the other part of the box have this sandwich container. Of course you can pack any wraps, rolls, sandwiches, anything. The best part is that it's sealed down completely. None of the food will mix up with the other food, and it's perfect. So another container which I have is from Rubbermaid Sandwich Kit. It comes with 1 sandwich container and 3 little containers, and the best part is they completely got stuck in this ice pack. You can keep anything in there which you want to keep it cool for the whole day. They only have one bad part is that if you want to keep the little containers on top of your big container without the ice pack, it won't stay properly. You have to have a ice pack for this container. Now if you want to give some hot lunches to your kids, this thermos is perfect for that. You can put some soup, pasta, rice, anything which needs to be stay warm. And I've recently found this cute little bowl thermos. It has cute little handles, so you can hold it from top, and then it will keep your food warm for at least 3 to 4 hours. And it has this little air vent as well to pull the air out, so it's safe for the kids as well. Now, as I already mentioned, I shared the video last year and I talk about these smaller container in my video. These are from Dollar Tree. They are perfect for storing any smaller sliced cucumbers, carrots, or maybe any small treat. Then I already talked about this dressing bottle as well. This pack of 3 comes from Walmart, or this other one comes from Dollar Tree. It's for dressing, but I usually give away ketchup with that. So let's go hop on to the recipe. The first recipe is egg and cheese sandwich on a waffle. For that I am arranging frozen waffles on a baking sheet which is lined with parchment paper. Then I'm beating egg. You can season this egg as well. So we need 1 beaten egg for 1 sandwich, which means for 2 waffles. So I'm arranging that. I'm spreading that beaten egg on both of the waffles, doing the same with the other egg. Then I am preheating my oven on 400 degrees and then putting these waffles for at least 8 minutes or until egg is completely cooked through. Then I took some cheddar cheese slices. You can use whatever cheese your kids like. Arrange it on one side of the waffle and then immediately cover it with the other waffle, so cheese will melt it. And this is how you will get egg and cheese waffle sandwich. You can add any sausage patty, anything you like to add in your sandwiches. I am arranging this sandwich and on the sandwich part of the container. Then I already baked some tater tots as well. With that I am giving some strawberries. You can add any berries. And then since it's a breakfast style lunch, so I am adding a little mini cinnamon roll as well. So this is how my lunch box is complete, with the side of mint of course and a pirate booty popcorns. Now my second idea, it's about pasta salad. So I'm making Italian pasta salad lunchbox. For that I took some spring pasta. You can use any other shaped pasta as well. Just boil it according to the package instruction, drain it, and then transfer it into a mixing bowl, adding some veggies which include some chopped cucumbers, red and green peppers, and cubed cheddar cheese. Then I'm adding some store-bought Italian dressing. You can make it at home as well. Then I'm seasoning it with some salt and black pepper and adding some Parmesan cheese. Mix everything well and then I will transfer it into the other container which I just showed onto the sandwich part of the container. And then I'm adding some more Parmesan cheese on top. I'm arranging it in a snack box, and then I'm adding some pita chips with a side of salsa, some chewy dip granola bar, a mandarin orange, and of course some mint. And this is how another lunch recipe is ready. It's a complete wholesome meal for your kids, and it's perfect for adults like us as well. Now let's hop on to our third recipe, which is tacos, toaster tarts. For that, first we need to make our taco beef. I already shared that recipe with you guys. I will link it down below for you. What I did, I just added a little corn, and I didn't add any water for this recipe. Then I placed some parchment sheet on a baking paper. I took some pie crust, unrolled one pie crust, and then with the help of pizza cutter, I'm cutting rectangles which are like about 3 to 4 inches, 3 by 4 inches rectangles. I'm arranging so 3 of the pieces of the prepared pie crust on my baking sheet, and then I will add that prepared taco keema or meat, and then put them in the middle. You can of course add any other vegetables in the keema as well, or you can add any other filling as well in this recipe that I'm topping out with some shredded cheddar cheese. Then I made this egg wash with 1 beaten egg mixed with a tablespoon of water. I'm brushing this egg wash all around the edges of this pastry. Then I am covering with another piece of pastry, press it with a very light hand. Then I will crimp the edges with the help of fork, which is just like pressing the edges with a light hand. This will make our pastry look like the store-bought pastry, and of course it will seal the edges. Then I will brush the top of the pastry with the remaining egg wash, which we just used to seal the pastries. Then I take a knife and I poke the hole on top of the pastries. This will let the air vent out while we are baking, and then this will make our pastries cook through completely and make it more crispy. Then I'll bake the pastries on 350 degrees for at least 20 to 25 minutes. 16 minutes were not enough for these pastries. So this is how our pastries, tacos, toaster tarts are ready for school lunch. Let that cool down completely, and then I will put this in a lunch container with some mini Oreos, baby carrots, and cube watermelon. I usually give a treat to my kids on Fridays. For that, today it's fruit roll-up. You can add any other treat as well. And then this is how all the school lunches are ready. If you like these videos, or if you are trying any of the recipes, please let me know in the comment down below how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more videos like this.